Thank you for stopping by. You just created a video. You're on YouTube and you're uploading that video, or it's already uploaded, and now you're going to upload your custom thumbnail and you get this error. File is bigger than 2 MB. What do? I'm going to show you a quick and easy fix for this. You don't have to disregard the thumbnail you made. You don't have to make a new thumbnail. Let's go to the beginning. When you go to upload your thumbnail, you're familiar with this. You're clicking upload thumbnail. You click on that and then you get this error. File is bigger than 2 MB. What do we do next? You want to go to paint.net. This may be on your computer already if you have Windows 10. If not, this is a free software to use, a free software to download without any watermarks if you're not familiar with it. When you get there, you're going to click on it. You're going to click open. Once you click open, you're going to go to a picture or a thumbnail that you wanted to open. Click on that. Once you hit open, and then you'll get this. These settings are the way I started using it. I never changed them. They work for me. If you want to try changing them around and get a better shot, you have nothing to lose on that. Once you're in this screen, you come down and you hit OK. You'll see it's saving itself. It takes not even a minute. Once it's saved, you go back to YouTube and you upload thumbnail again. Once you click on it again, it's the same thumbnail that it refused before, but now, just like that, it uploads the thumbnail that you want. That's how quick and how easy it is. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. And if you have a quicker way or maybe an easier way of doing this, mention that down below. I like to check it out and it might help others also. Before we wrap this up, I like to mention another tool that I often use. It's called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a browser extension designed to add a layer of tools directly on top of your YouTube's website. There's a paid version and a free version. I'm still using the free version. It gives you a lot of tools. Doesn't give you as much as the paid version, but it's a good way to start. It's a quick way to make thumbnails, check your videos. It offers a lot of different tools in there. In the description below, I have a link to get onto TubeBuddy. Try it. It's free. There aren't any watermarks on it. It's free to download, free to use. Again, you could take the paid version or you could stick with the free version. It's up to you. If you want to expand it, I know of a couple of YouTubers that have large channels that use the paid version, but the free version works for me. Try it out. If you have any questions, let me know. And also let me know if there's a particular part of TubeBuddy that you would like me to do a video on. Well, that's a wrap for now. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, give it a like, share it with someone else who may be able to benefit from it. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Joe Z button. And not to miss any of my upcoming videos, be sure to ring that bell. Until next time, stay safe.